Just because I'm sweating doesn't mean that I can't glow. Here's my quick and easy gym makeup routine. I hope this can be a good source of inspiration to you all. So if you're interested to see that, stay with me. Should you wear makeup to the gym? Some say it's pointless or even silly, since the gym is for sweating, not looking perfect. Others feel a little bit of makeup gives them confidence and motivation. So everything depends on yourself. And this is my quick routine. First, I'm gonna go and start with my water spray to refresh my skin. Next, I apply my sunscreen. Even if you're just walking to the gym, applying SPF is a must, especially during sunnier months. This can double as your moisturizer, providing hydration and protection without feeling greasy. After sunscreen, I use a bit of concealer to cover my red spots. Just enough to even things out. My skin doesn't really sweat during workouts, so technically I can apply light foundations without any issues. But personally, I prefer to let my skin breathe while I exercise, because it just feels better and keeps my routine simple and minimal. And it's also fresh and time-saving. It's somehow like no makeup if you ask me. A little cream or liquid blush can make a huge difference, especially if you look tired in the morning. It helps you look more awake and refreshed, which can boost your mood too. I prefer cream or liquid over powder because it looks more natural and gives a nice glow. Just pick a shade that suits your skin and the season. I'm in love with this lip look. I use a brown powder pencil to line my lips. My Cupid's bow is a little bit bold. I try to fill it with this brown powder pencil. Then I add a red tint just on the center. And I try to drag it to the rest of my lips. Then I apply a lip balm for extra glow. It's quick, fresh, and gives a perfect pop without being too much. I like to keep my brows looking natural but defined. So I use the same brown powder pencil to fill in any sparse areas. It helps frame my face without making it look too bold for the gym. I try to create hair-like strokes in the middle, but I'm not really precise. I just try to create shadows with the powder pencil. It's quite easy and I think everyone can do that. That's it. For my lashes, I always curl them first. It instantly makes my eyes more awake. Then I apply a light coat of mascara, and I only apply it to the tip of my lashes because I don't want to go too bold. Just enough to lift up without clumping. Personally, I'm in love with winged eyeliners, and sometimes I apply winged eyeliners when I go to gym. But for right now, I don't feel like it, and I think that just a few coats of mascara would be enough. That's it! Now let me gather my hair up to be fully prepared for my gym. So, tell me what you think about this type of makeup. It's minimal, simple, and it takes only 5 minutes. And at the end of the day, gym makeup is all about what works best for you. I have seen people without any kind of makeup in gym, and I also have seen people with lots of makeup. So everything depends on yourself. I personally prefer a minimal makeup look. Let me know what is your preference. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you so much for supporting me. Bye!